Hey, do you want to make eye-catching content without the hassle? Whether it's YouTube Shorts or explainer videos? In this episode, I'm going to show you how INVIDEO AI can help you create stunning videos effortlessly. So let's dive right in. INVIDEO is an advanced video creation platform that leverages artificial intelligence to streamline the video making process. Getting started with INVIDEO AI is a breeze. After logging into your account, simply navigate into the prompt section. Here you can specify your workflow, whether it's for YouTube Shorts or YouTube Explainer. Next, you're going to create a prompt of up to 3,000 words, which can be a topic or detailed instructions. And of course, this will be a YouTube Explainer. I'm going to set to 5 minutes. And I'm gonna just elaborate more. So I'm gonna talk about how to make money online to create passive income using AI marketing tools. We're gonna choose an upbeat music, and I'm gonna choose voiceover, whether it's a male or female. I'm gonna choose female with a clear American voice. And since I'm not a paid user, we'll stick with the watermark and just click on continue. Click on generate a video. And now INVIDEO AI is in its analyzing mode. Now the title of the YouTube video is generated. AI marketing tools, your key to passive income. And of course, we're gonna target the relevant audience. Let's target entrepreneurs. And of course, the look and feel will be professional. And we're gonna target YouTube. Click on continue. The great thing about INVIDEO AI is that it will generate the script along with the footages as well as the captions. Let's check out the output of the INVIDEO AI.
Generated passively, even as you slumber or spend time with your loved ones. This is not a fantasy, but a feasible goal that many have achieved through the power of the internet. In this era, we're no longer confined to traditional means of income. Instead, we can harness the infinite potential of online platforms to create streams of passive income.
So as you can see, INVIDEO AI has automatically generated the explainer video within 3 minutes, and it includes a very professional look and feel, and even include a professional voiceover. That's not all. You can even click on the edit button. And of course, you can make edits if you prefer to. If you are not too keen on some of the scenes, you can edit and replace the stock footage or any of the media. And you can replace it with this or that. And of course, you can upload your preferred image of your choice. And of course, you can edit your own script to make a personalized touch. Make sure you check every part of the script so that it is aligned to what you have intent in mind. Once you have done the edits, you can export and you can use it to publish on your YouTube channel. Right now it's rendering. INVIDEO AI is a game changer. It allows you to focus on creating content rather than spending hours editing. So it is definitely something you can explore and even look into producing videos for your business and even marketing. There you have it, folks. INVIDEO AI is your secret weapon to create stunning videos. Say goodbye to tedious editing, and of course, hello to creativity. Give it a try and let us know how it transformed your channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next video.